Hello listeners, I think it's a moment of truth. We have to test our API through the Postman. You can use advanced REST client, ARC or something. ARC is kind of easy to use than Postman, but Postman is more professional. So whatever you chose, I'm going to use here the Postman REST client. If you like ARS, you are welcome. So first of all, we uh, make some post request. I mean, create two or three contacts person. We try to get a single contact with its ID. Then we try to update the information of the person contacts, like a person name or person number. If we can update it successfully, then we'll delete the API. If we can do all this task completely and successfully, we think we are done making a RESTful API except unit testing. Okay, let's go to the okay. If you are new in Postman, you just install it from the Chrome application. Also it has a app for Linux, I mean Ubuntu and Mac. I don't know Windows. If there's no application for Postman, you can just use the REST API, I mean Google Chrome application for Windows. Okay, oh here we going to create some uh, contact book. We see if we can create or not. You will provide the same address I give. I'll explain this because we will give the exact address that we give in our route and server.js middleware. Default our port number is 3000 slash API slash contacts. Okay, oh sorry, just a contact. We have to make this post request. While we made this post request, we go to body, we click the X form URL encoded, then if uh, while you click the X form X www form X URL encoded, you have to make sure in our content type you add this application slash form URL encoded. In Postman it is added automatically, but in ARS, I mean advanced REST client, it you should manually add this. I don't know. I think they can pass the data without this shit in ARS. Okay. In our body section, in the key person name. If you can remember, I named the properties person name in the uh, model section. This is a test name person number test number. Okay, let's see what we got here. There's an error, so we have to debug this. I kind of I think we can pass this contact. Okay, create contact. Let's go to the contact section, create contact section. We got request, response, new contact, main request dot body, a new contact dot save, error. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Let's see. Okay, we have an error in contacts controller index.js 21. We have go to contacts controller index.js 21. let me see. I can't remember what were the wrong going on here. Oh man, you know what, we this is a JSON object, and this JSON object is required when in this model is exist. So we have to create a new object, new contact. Now okay, now we create an contact object, and then the object will be saved here. Let's see, we send another request. Okay, voila, there it is. We got a test name. We create some more test name 1, test name 1, test number 1. I made this another contact, old name, old number. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, there it is. Okay, so far we made several contacts, and we'll see all those contacts. You know how we made a get request to get all the contacts. So check the address, localhost 3000 API contacts. Okay, see my name, my number, test number 1, test number, old number. Okay, now we see when we use mongoose, we automatically create a unique ID. So we want to get the old name and old number. I think just Ctrl C is enough to copy this ID. I copy the ID, and I made the new request. It is get request localhost 3000 /API /contact and the old this ID. So we see now we have to get only the old name and old number contacts. See, we get the single ID. So far we completed the get all the contacts, get a single contact, create a contact. Now we try to update and delete the contact. So while we update the contact, you have to make the put request, not get request. We may go to the put request, body. I'm sorry, there's something missing. Cookies, header, test. Okay, just we take the there's post when we add attitude for in my machine. We create a new tab, paste the address, made the put request. See, there's a body now found. Again, okay, in our here we are using put request to update the contact. So localhost 3000 /API contact, then the contact ID that we want to update here, it's xww from URL encoded. So in the header section, you may want to add the content type and this, but in Postman it is added automatically. So in the person name, I may updated person name, person number, so far you see it was old name and old number with this ID, but now with this ID we want to update the person name and person number. We give the ID, we made the put request and change the updated name and number. We send the request and there it is, we got the updated name and number. So ID is the same, just information is updated. So with the same ID we send the request. Now I'm sorry, it is not a post request, it should be get request. Okay, see there it is updated person name, updated person number. It was the old name and old number, now updated person name and person number. So now see we can contact, get all the contacts, get a single contact, create a contact, update a contact. There left only one, we should delete the contact. So I think this is enough, this address. And now it is delete request. We have 3000 API contact and the contacts, the updated name and number contact. We will delete this, and whenever you see success equal true, I think it is true, you just delete all the contacts. So send the request. See my name, my number, test name, test number, test name 1, test name number 1, but there's no existence of updated name, person name, updated person number. So I think we are done creating this RESTful API. And we also provide the API testing via Postman. You can use this advanced REST client. In future, I don't know, it's a long time whenever I say in future. Soon I'll provide some unit testing with mongoose.js. It's a Node.js testing framework. And with assertion library, people use Kai, and people also prefer Kai.js, but I think there's more official flavor is should.js assertion library. So I'll see you next, guys. Thank you and peace.